friends, I welcome you all on your PDA education. So today at 7 p.m. I am going to give you one job update, and that is from NIT. So that is VNIT, Vishwasaraya National Institute of Technology, Nagpur. Okay, NIT Nagpur recruitment 2021 on the Google. So this type of page will open up. Okay, so just click on the current opening section of VNIT Nagpur. So this type of page will open up, and now go to faculty recruitment advertisements. So just click on this. Okay, so here you can see advertisement for the faculty recruitment in October 2021. Okay, so these are the instructions. This is the application form, and this is the advertisement. So first we will see this advertisement. So you can see here that there are various faculty positions available in VNIT Nagpur, and this advertisement is regarding recruitment for faculty positions. Okay, and you can see here that assistant professors on contract basis, there are some posts, and there are for regular also assistant professor posts are there. Okay, and the scale is very good. So entry pay is 70,900, and for this is for grade 2, and for grade 1 entry pay is 1,15,100. Okay, and other than this, the institute is requiring the assistant professors for these branches: civil, mechanical, mining, applied mechanics, chemical engineering, electronics, electrical, computer science, metallurgy and material engineering, architecture and planning, physics, chemistry, maths, humanities, and VLSI and nanotechnology. Last date of receipt of completed application is 25th of November. So that is by 5 p.m. by post or hand. Okay, so this is the advertisement. Okay, now we will see what are the various general instructions regarding this. So just click on this. So when you will click on this, so again a PDF will open. Okay, so you can read the guidelines in detail. Okay, for civil engineering and for various branches, what is the eligibility criteria? So they have given the essential minimum academic qualification is your bachelor's degree, BE, Tech, BR. Okay, in any discipline along with PhD in engineering and technology or humanities. Okay, so that I will say the candidate should be PhD. Okay, and should have done bachelor's with first class, and shall have first class at least 6.5 CGPA of a 10 or 60% in the preceding degree. So in your BTech MTech, either you should have 60% or 6.5 CGPA. Other than this, those students, those candidates who have done direct PhD after BTech, so they are also eligible, provided they have obtained first class bachelor's degree. Okay, and this is, I will say, for department civil engineering, what is the preferred specialization area at post graduation, masters and PhD level. So you must have done research related to these areas. Okay, and similarly in mining, applied mechanics, and for other engineering branches you can see, and for basic sciences also you can see here. Okay, and this is, I will say, assistant professor contract basis. Okay, so that is this, and this row 1 and row 2. In row 3, that is regular assistant professor, grade pay of 8,000, then associate professors, then professor. Okay, so essential qualification for all the post is PhD. Okay, and other than this, you can read other, I will say, salary related details here in detail. Okay, and how they will give you the points, so that is also mentioned here in these tables. Accordingly you can check. Okay, other than this, so application form will not be supplied on post request. They are advised to download, so you can download this application form in doc or PDF format. Okay, and you have to fill this form, and you have to send through speed post or register to the registrar VNIT Nagpur, Maharashtra, India. Okay, so you can see here, and they I will say, so last date I have already mentioned here, and what will be the criteria for shortlisting. So these are the factors they have mentioned. Teaching experience you should have at IIT or NIT. So all 3 degrees, UG, PG, PhD from IIT or NIT or CFTI or reputed institute abroad, preferably with world QS ranking within 500. Okay, and other conditions they have given for shortlisting. So you can read them in detail from these guidelines. Okay, and other than this, so other instructions are also there, so you can read it. The date for determining eligibility of candidates in every respect, so that is 28th of October. So that is also there, and you have to submit a DD of 1000 rupees in favor of Director VNIT Nagpur for general and OBC candidates. Okay, no application fees has to be paid by SC, ST, PWD and EWS candidates. No interview call letters or mail will be sent to individual candidate. The list of shortlisted candidates will be displayed on the institute website, and candidates are advised to visit VNIT website regularly. Okay, and what will be other incentives, so that will be offered to faculty members, so they have mentioned here. Okay, and I will say, except architecture and planning department, what are the essential qualifications for these posts? So candidate should have PhD with good academic record, and for some posts they are requiring post PhD experience also in some teaching or research institute of repute or industry. Okay, so for some posts they have also mentioned regarding experience, so you can read it in detail. And what in various departments, what are the number of vacant positions? So you can see here, for computer 18 positions. Okay, and for electrical 13, electronics 14, VLSI 2, mechanical 10, metallurgy material engineering 10. Okay, 9 applied mechanics. So you can see here. Okay, so total vacancies, so that is 103. So 103 is quite a big number. Okay, so if you have done your PhD, or if any one of your friend or your known has done PhD, okay, in these I will say relevant research areas, so you can make him or her to apply here. Okay, so these are very good positions, and some positions are for regular faculty member and some are on contractual basis. Separate application along with all necessary document must be submitted for each post. So you're applying for more than one post, so you have to submit separate application for that, and last date of receipt for completed application is 25th of November. Okay, so I think must be clear with this. Okay, so that was update from our side, and that was the update from VNIT Nagpur for 103 assistant professor post. So some are on contractual basis and some are on regular basis. Okay, so if any one of you require guidance from YourPedia regarding interview preparation, okay, so you can seek the help of YourPedia. So thank you very much friends, keep watching YourPedia. Thanks once again.